We're gonna need a cake form that we're gonna rub with butter. We're gonna add the pie crust, and you know how I feel about homemade pie crust. I don't like to make it at home, when the store-bought it's good enough. If you want to make it homemade, I leave you a recipe in the description. Anyway, carefully put the pie crust in and trim it as even as you can. Poke it with a fork and put a parchment paper on top of it with some weight and cook it for around 15 minutes, and then remove the weight and cook it for another 10-15 minutes. Both times will be at 175 degrees Celsius, fan off. While the pie crust is cooking, we're gonna need a bowl where we're gonna add 2 eggs and 3 egg yolks. On top of it, we're gonna add sugar and mix. I have to tell you that this is super lemony. So I add just 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, I added 2, and half tablespoon of lime zest, I added 1. 120 milliliters of lemon juice, and I recommend using only 100 milliliters if you don't really like lemony stuff. Believe me, when you bite out of this, it's not gonna be like biting into a lemon, but really close. Now add the heavy cream and mix. When the pie crust is ready, you should directly pour the mixture in the oven over your pie crust until the very end. I had to get mine out of the oven to show it to you. Anyway, now cook it at 150 degrees Celsius for 20 more minutes. This smells amazing. I had some strawberries on top of mine and it really goes well together. The sweetness of the strawberries balance things out. Out of the fridge is the best way to eat it. Anyway, if you enjoyed this recipe, please consider leaving a like, subscribe and hit the bell for more as I post every week. See ya next time!